Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can copy table in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Google Docs, and first of all, I'm going to create a table. So I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to select table, and then I'm going to insert 3 columns and 3 rows. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can copy this table. If you want to copy, you just need to select the table like this, and then you can right click on it, and you can see the copy option. Select that, and then you can just paste the table. Right click again, click on paste. Okay, and I'm going to practice it one more time. Select the table, right click on it, click on a copy, and then right click again and paste. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to copy table in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.